Today, I'm introducing your English friend. Enjoy this video.
Hello friends, we are going to face a couple of tongue twisters today. Very often I say tongue twisters are for enjoyment. They help us improve our pronunciation and fluency skills. They need not be logical or sensible. The tongue twisters we try now are 1. Crushing blow, blushing crow. 2. Belly jeans, jelly beans. Try these 5 times each. The time allowed is 30 seconds for a set. Let me initiate the show for you. Now the first one. Crushing blow, blushing crow. 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 Okay friends, I've said it a few times. Now the next one. Belly jeans, jelly beans. 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 Okay friends, I've said it a few times. Okay, you to try at home. All the best. Okay, see you then. Bye.
Hope you enjoy this video. Meet you in my next video. Bye everyone.